Hello everyone, my name is Emmanuel. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to have a beginner course how to set up your Canal stage. Many people have been asking me, so I'm going to show you the necessary tools you need. You need your plier, this is your plier. You need your spinner 10. You need your star. You need a cable cutter. Yeah, so those are the basic things you need. Now this one is called a reflector. Now this helps your LMB to reflect your signals. So this is a reflector. So to view the accessory things, you have this. This one is going to be placed behind the dish. Behind the dish. I hope you can see. And this is the cable. The cable is to be placed in this. You place the cable here and you connect it. Now this is the elevation and the maximum setting. So you take note. You have some screws here and some bolts. This one you have to place this on your wall. I told you have to place this on your wall, either vertically or horizontally. Tie this with this. So take this, or you can start with this. First of all, tie this. First of all, tie this. So put inside. Make sure it enters where there's a space here, and you take the bow. Take the bow, send it from here. Yes, something like this, and you tie. This is the first step. You tie it firmly. It should be firm. So it's firm. So after tying this, you have to take this. Take your reflector, you put it inside, you send it inside the reflector. I see. After sending it inside, you take now your bow. This is your bow, the shorter bow, and put it inside. Okay, so I'm to tie the bows firmly. Using spinner 10, tie it very firmly. Tie this up firmly. So to put the elevation setting is, so make sure this, it should be in this form. Make sure it should be in this form. So send it in between this. Normally it comes with a manual. Now this one is when you are putting it on a smooth area on the floor. So you can also follow this manual. This one is vertically on the wall. As soon as you place it, so we'll do it on, I'm going to hang it on the sink. So I'm going to take this setting on the sink. Let's go. I've tracked UTSAT 16A. So this is the elevation setting. This is the elevation. You can normally see the degrees from the other side. So I'm going to turn to show you the degree. Yes, the radius.
Please like, share, and subscribe.